Project Presentation Day is our annual student showcase where students will present their projects in front of our industry partners, academic partners, and also the community. This public showcase builds what AI can't do: collaboration, communication, and also human interaction.
I love the part of creativity and innovativeness, and they're confident to show it and share it with everyone.
First of all, I think the most important thing for this kind of project is to have a plan for the next step. I think most of the students during the presentation, they also talk about what can be improved in the future. Therefore, I think they don't just plan about what doing today, but they also plan for the next step in the future.
Why? Because it's not about creating something, it's the reason behind it, the reasoning of these products in the real world and bringing them together with confidence, and these children are learning a lot for that. So thank you, Blueinno.
I think Blueinno is doing a great job to offer opportunity for all the little children to learn about new technology right now. And the most important thing is to offer a platform for them, a platform not only including classes, but just like today, a presentation day that let the children have a chance to present their idea in front of people. And that is so important for training up the future technopreneur for Hong Kong and also for the world.